Hey everybody, what's going on? Glad to be back. The Traveling Bee here. Just letting you know that I do apologize. It's been close to 3 months since I've uploaded a video. Lots been going on, a lot of changes, a lot of new stuff, and hopefully I can get to some new places. I did travel somewhere, and I feel very regrettable that I didn't film at all. I had a lot going on while I was there, and it was London, by the way. Went to England, had a fantastic time, made some really good friends. I do apologize, like I said, for not filming. Now I go back there kind of frequently, so it would be nice to maybe one day take you guys on a little tour of downtown in the historic district, or see all the most stereotypical touristy type of sites, and even check out some stuff that people are not very familiar with. But fortunately, I'm back, and I apologize for the 3 month wait. It seems like it's just it's crazy, but here I am, and I'm just letting you guys know that I am going to get back to making more. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. Also, if you guys want me to keep it kind of like this, almost like traveling videos, like I said, or talking about certain subjects, or whatever the case may be, almost like a vlog, if you will, or whatever. I do my these videos by myself, so maybe one day I can have somebody help me out or whatever. I did have a good friend in the previous video when I was at Rome at the Colosseum. I had a friend film me outside, and I also apologize for that. It was a bit of a strange circumstance while we were there. I didn't really have anybody to walk around the historic district with me. Um, and doing it by myself is cool and all, but at the same time, it's just, I guess this is more like a vlog, just due to the fact that I haven't really found an appropriate software to edit the videos, to add, animations and sounds and music and all that jazz. I just really haven't uh, gotten the hang of it. And then it seems like I've been doing it for a little while now. I've been doing these videos for, I don't know, 6, 8 months, something like that. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments section. Like I said, subscribe, hit the little button, and then hit the little bell, I believe, if you want to get notifications to whenever I post. Hopefully I'll be posting a lot soon. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff coming up. Hoping to head home very soon, maybe around October time frame or whatever. And I'll do some videos while I'm at home. Like I said, still over here in beautiful Italy. But anyway, I definitely need to post some more videos while I'm here in Italy as well, because there's a lot to see, not just here in Sicily, but mainland as well. 2019 is going to be full of a lot of, goodness gracious, a lot of trips. I've got a lot of time coming up where I can take off and just kind of jet around Europe some more, and definitely hit a lot of really, really neat places. Even hit some places that people don't travel to very often, smaller towns and stuff like that, because, you can always go to these big cities and see all the stuff that you see in pictures and videos and whatnot. It's all touristy, industry and all of that. But at the end of the day, even some of the little smaller off the path, off the beaten path places tend to have some really nice things there. Little restaurants, little museums, and you name it. It's just stuff that's just tucked away that people don't really know a lot about, or it's kind of, if it is known about, it's not put out as much in photos or videos or movies or TV shows, whatever, as bigger, more tourist-like places. So anyway, that's all I've probably got for you guys today. Like I said, send me some suggestions. I appreciate all the likes and folks that subscribe. That means a lot. Up to 25 subscribers. That's that's a start. It's not bad, but definitely keep spreading the word. I do have a buddy of mine who has a page. It's not really like a sponsory. We just kind of it's just he's got his page and I've got mine. I believe it's like the Civil War underscore soldier or something like that. It's I don't remember. I'll have to shout him out in another video. But if you ever find him, like I said, subscribe to him, check out his videos. He's got some pretty cool stuff if you're into reenacting like him and I do. And we both post a lot of historical stuff as it is. So he doesn't get to go around as much as I do, but that's okay. No worries. So, like I said, just spread the word, subscribe, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Had somebody say not too long ago they didn't really care for the videos, and that's okay. You know, I take the good and the bad with a grain of salt, because at the end of the day, you know, I'm doing these videos because I enjoy them, and there's folks out there that like them. You know, not everybody's going to enjoy these like I do, so you know, it is what it is. So, like I said, please subscribe and turn on the notifications and tell me what you want to see. You know, tell me some countries to go to. You know, I held some polls on Facebook, Instagram, other social media, and got some pretty good feedback. I think one poll I did was between London and Berlin. Excuse me. And they tied up. And it just turns out that I had another friend from back home who was staying in London for the weekend. So he invited me over, and I went and had a blast and met even more folks that I have that are friends now, and got to go back a couple of weeks ago. So check it out and let me know what you guys think. And like I said, I love the subscribers. Love to see more. Like I said, we're at 25. Maybe one day we'll see 250, you know, 2,500, 25,000, whatever. You know, hopefully slowly but surely we'll get there. But I really do appreciate everybody that watches these videos, and not every video will be of me touring around. Sometimes it'll just be me here in the room talking about whatever, you know, because like I said, it's a travel-y video, but it's a vlog type deal at the same time. So, and hopefully I can get better at editing the videos, adding, you know, an intro and an outro video, or what, I think I said that right. Exit video. And, you know, I'll get that squared away one day. But right now, you know, I'm still trying to get it started off just right. And we'll see where it goes. But I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys have got to say in the comment section. And as always, love you guys, mean it. Thank you so much for tuning in. And tell me what you guys want to see. Because, you know, at the end of the day, that's what matters. I want to know what people want to see, not just what I want to see. So, or me to talk about. So that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking the videos and commenting, and turn those notifications on if you want some more. And that's all I've got from you from the Traveling Bee. And this is me signing off. Take care, guys, and see you next video.